Superintendent ke pulet ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Syiem mule tho bagajing syap Pyniap ihebret bedang sau Snem karta hak shnong nongra. Kadai kebala let ukena bakat lai Snem karta da kaba Pynngam Jyllop home. Habakrani gila patai kubor hak kalai trek urisau arajar arpusan uba Vivek Syiem mulong bahalo kene kejingja ka special investigation team gadang beteng ya kejing toket. Haga baliyo ban kem ukena bakat lai Snem uberan keti ban le agene kam snew. Bat kumbala pau bagajing klat ini hepret kadai bula Pynngam home. Da kabakam makani kadai namar bakli kene u biscuit. Superintendent ki pulet ulong bahalor kene kajingkam ka kunhon special investigation team. Kandang tokit shoshu bantep bagani kajingja kalaja namar kajing bitar be kene u biscuit kumbu ulakam ni namar uthu banegi kam snew ya ini hepret.
The 4-year-old, the case is still going, it's still progressing. With regard to the 4-year-old, the culprit has been ascertained, he's been apprehended. And in my last press briefing, I had mentioned that the child died out of drowning. And it would take us some time to ascertain whether the child died out, whether the drowning was accidental or homicidal. SIT, which has been formed, has established that the drowning was homicidal. So she was drowned deliberately by the accused, who's a juvenile in conflict with law. He's still in the juvenile home. Only thing is, the SIT is still yet to ascertain whether the drowning, the homicide, or the act was done in perpetuation of argument which happened over biscuits, which he has said, or whether it was an sexual assault attempt. There are many indications to the latter, for which we need to establish. So SIT will take some time to establish whether there was any sexual attempt. But one thing I can say, that the drowning was homicidal in nature.